iMac users, iMac Pro users, listen up. I'm pretty sure you have this common issue. The ports at the back of your iMac, you're sick of getting up from your seat just to connect your SD card or USB thumb drive. You are not alone. Luckily, there's this company called Satechi that designed the USB-C Clamp Pro. This little thing here will improve your workflow in a daily manner. I simply love this. I've been using it for almost 3 days now and I cannot live without this anymore. Hey, what's up YouTube? Fat Maestro here, and this is the Satechi USB-C Clamp Pro. Let's take a closer look. So this is the unboxing, Satechi. Very simple unboxing, so let's get straight into it. Before we do that, let's check the box as usual. Nice information on the Clamp Pro on the bottom, and at the back you can see the illustration of how you look like eventually, which is going to be sitting below the iMac 2017 or the iMac Pro. Also, let's go ahead and open it up with my big and trusted penknife. So let's open up the insert here. Relatively simple unboxing. This is the Clamp Pro. Some instructions on how to connect. It is quite nice, all aluminum and premium feeling. And before you install the hub, you need to first line up the clamp. In order to do so, please adjust the knob right above. And once you're happy, locate the air vent on your iMac and then slowly put it in. Of course, double check whether there's any obstructions. If not, go ahead and insert it. Make sure it is straight. Once you're happy with it, use the same knob to tighten it. Don't over tighten it. Just make sure it is nice and snug and it's safe to go. Now that you have the clamp installed, go to the back of the iMac, locate the Thunderbolt connector to the port, and then simply insert it in. There you go. And now you are presented with a front-facing ports, and the few ports to mention, we have the SD and micro SD card. We have 3 times USB Type A 3.0 that delivers up to 5 gigabits per second. And then last but not least, we have the USB Type C. Bear in mind, this is only data transfer. You cannot charge any USB Type C devices. It's pretty seamless. The colors are almost perfect. Actually, there's also a space gray version to connect and seamlessly match with your iMac Pro if you have one. And then all the ports are here. So you have the micro SD and the SD card. Do take note there isn't any micro SD connections on the original iMac ports at the back, so this is a bonus. 3 times USB Type A 3.0 no less, so you can achieve up to 5 gigabit per second speed. And then on the very end, on the right hand side, we have the USB-C. So that's it, actually a very simple video to explain the Satechi USB Clamp Pro and how it works. I am simply in love with this. For those who are using the iMac or the iMac Pro, please consider this. This is a must for you guys actually, right? It has improved my workflow a lot more ways than I could imagine. It is very seamless. It doesn't look hideous as most USB hub. You got to get it. I'll leave a link below, alright, so check out their website, and there's also a few more items which you may be interested in. So if you like the video, go ahead and like it, consider subscribing for more future contents in the channel. That's pretty much it actually. This is Fat Maestro Handmade Videos signing off. You guys have a great day.